Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, and welcome to this session, Salesforce Administrator Training, as we delve into custom objects and creating custom objects. As you can see, we have quite an agenda for the sessions relating to creating custom objects, including creating custom apps, custom objects, adding custom fields, formula fields, validation rules, and much more. Part of our business requirements, as you can see, is to create a recruiting app, and that app will have two tabs. So today we want to create that custom app. We want to create that custom recruiting app, and maybe even the first tab as well, the positions tab. So to create our app, let's go to the setup. And under setup, we have apps, app manager, and now we have the option for a new Lightning app. We'd like to create a recruiting app, so for the app name, we'll call it recruiting. So we've added this description as well to go along with that. We can load an image for our app and different choices of colors. So let's click next. Now we notice a number of things with this validation. The first one, that the developer's name cannot have any space. So we'll go ahead and remove that space. Secondly, where the name comes from, it's derived from the name of our app. Thirdly, that if we don't choose an image and a color, then by default, it defaults to the image and color of the organization that we have customized for our application. And also that the app name has to be unique. Used by the API and managed packages, this name must be unique across all apps. So now let's click next. In our app options, we do have a few of those. First is navigation. Standard navigation, if we choose that, shows our items in the navigation bar at the top of the page, which is what we're going to select. The console navigation, however, shows a list of records in a sidebar and opens each record in the new workspace tab. Next is the setup experience, refers to the option with which we could select which setup experience to show as the first item in the setup menu for this app that we're creating. So we're not going to change anything, and we're going to click next. As you can see, we're kind of making progress through the points that we have. Next is the utility item. So there's different utilities such as a list view or macros or flow or report charts that we can also add. So if we click on the add utility item, we have those options. And by description, it allows us to give our users quick access to productivity tools and add background utility items to your app. And at this point, we're just going to click next. Next, in our navigation items, we can actually add different items to our app. For example, I'd like to have reports. And dashboards as part of the app. So let's click next. Now we have the option of user profiles. As we can see, we have a standard list of profiles that are available. And of course, profiles maintain the visibility of our application. And in reality, each profile can be granted to different users. And for now, we're going to make our application available to all the profiles. So let's go ahead and look at the app that we created. So we're going to click on Save and Finish. And as we can see from the Object Manager that we do have number 9, our app, the recruiting app that's been created. Now at any time that if we'd like to edit or make modifications to the app that we've created or an existing app, we can go in here within the App Manager under Apps, click on Edit, and we'll see some of the settings that we've already made and some modifications that we could do. So that's the detail and branding, the app options that we've chosen, the utility items, navigation if we'd like to include more things, let's say the calendar, for example, the user profiles if we need to add or remove any, and finally, the app performance. Now on Lightning, does this app have any pages? Let's go ahead and see. This app doesn't have any active custom Lightning pages. So let's go ahead and choose a new page. Build a one-page app for a Lightning experience on the mobile app. Next. Let's give it a label and call it Recruiting. And as you can see, we have different options of different portraits. So we're going to go ahead and click Finish. So let's go ahead and save our layout. Activate this page to make it visible to your users. Yes. If we were just developing, we might have activated only for system administrators, but now for the purpose of the exercise, we're going to activate it for all users. Click Save. Add page to navigation menus. So now if we go back, we should be able to see a list of the apps that are available to us, and there should be a recruiting app available to us. So let's go ahead and click on our apps board, and we should have a recruiting app available to us. This app handles sales executives' recruiting tasks. Once we get into the app, recruiting, we have our reports, our dashboards, but we still don't have our custom objects in there. So the recruiting custom app is created by the positions, which is a custom object, and candidates, which is an object, custom object within the recruiting custom app, have not been created yet. So hopefully you guys will join us in our next session as we create those objects.